What is up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this 36,000 milliwatt amp hour solar portable charger. Now, this is going to be made to charge all of your devices, but it's different from all the other chargers out there. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as far as what you're going to get in the box here, of course, you're going to get the charger itself. You're going to get a set of instructions here. You're going to get a small USB Type-C cable that you can go ahead and use to charge this. And you're going to get a little carabiner here, which I'll show you where that goes on it. Now, taking a look at this, it is decently large. Again, this is 36,000 milliamp hours. So you're going to get a lot of power out of this, multiple charges for multiple devices here. So again, it is decently large, but it feels really good in the hand, which I like. So if you're holding this, you're not going to drop it or anything like that. On the front here, we do have our solar charger. And then right here, we have a little indication. So that green light means it's actually getting charged. So we're actually getting charged inside because I have lights on, but you have your little indication, which I'll show you more of that in just 1 second. Now on this side here, all we have is a little power button that's right here, but we also have a little pop out thing for the carabiner. So this pops out, as you guys can see right there. And then I can put the carabiner on here. And the reason that they include this carabiner is because you want to attach this to a backpack if you're hiking or something like that and get that solar charge as you're, backpacking, especially if you're going on a multi-day trip. This would be excellent for that. On the end here, we have our flashlight, which I'll go ahead and turn on really quickly so you guys can see that. So we do have a flashlight on here. So you can see that going on, which is really cool. So again, you're in a bad situation, you have a flashlight, that's obviously good right here. And then on this side, we have our connection. So we have a USB Type A and a USB Type C. The USB Type A is out only, so this is used to charge another device. The Type C can be in or out, so you can charge this with a Type C, but then you can charge another device with a Type C as well, which is really, really nice there. And then one of the coolest things, and the reason I really love this, is the back here. So one, we have a wireless charger right here. So you put your device on here, it's going to go ahead and charge. But two, we have all of the cables here. So we have a lightning cable, we have a USB Type-C and a USB Type-A. And then we have a USB Type-A that's meant for charging this actual device. So many times when I'm traveling, I forget these cables, right? You just forget them, you lose them. These are all attached to the device. So like I said, the Lightning, USB-C, and USB-A, those can be used to charge your actual devices, where the USB, this USB-A is actually used to charge the charger. So you have all the cables that you need. You won't have to bring any cables with you. This has everything that you need to charge your devices, all connected. And again, you have the wireless as well. So it's one of the things I absolutely love about this charger. Now, when it comes to actually charging this, like I said, it is a solar charger. So you just place it in the sun. The little LED right here, the green LED will light up and let you know that it is getting the charge from the sun. So that's the solar charging. But say you needed more power or you're in a dark area, obviously there are a couple ways to charge this. So I have a little portable charger thing right here, and I can use the actual cable that's on the back here. So we can plug this in to one of these USB ports, and we can see, flip it this way, that green light turns on right here, and it lets us know that it is charging. And then the activity LEDs, those actually turn on as well and let you know the charging level that you're at. So that is one way to charge. You can also charge via the connection here with the included Type-C. So again, like I said, we did get that Type-C. We can take this Type-C and we can go ahead and plug this in. And again, those activity LEDs turn on and this LED on the back turns on and lets us know that we're charging. So we can easily charge the actual battery. Now, charging your actual devices, there are a couple different ways here that we can go ahead and do that. The easiest way is, of course, via wireless. So again, we have this wireless charger right here. Let's take my iPhone and we'll go ahead and just place it on there. And as you can see, it's starting to charge. This is not a magnetic charger, so you have to have this set down, but you can place your phone pretty much any way and it's going to charge. I did it that way, which is really nice because if you set it this way, you can actually still access all of the cables back here. So you have the wireless charger. Also, again, we do get that lightning cable, and of course, iPhones, at least currently, still has lightning. So again, plug that in and we can charge a device that way. And again, you have all of the other connections. So these are labeled too. So out, 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 and in. So again, we have Type C, Type A, and the lightning connection. Also, we have USB connections here to charge things as well. So this is such an excellent device. One, because it has all the cables. That's one of the reasons I absolutely love this, is because it does have all of the cables here. But on top of that, we can charge it with the sun, which is awesome. So again, you're on a multi-day hiking trip or something like that where you don't have access to power. This is going to allow you to charge this while you're on your hike. Like I said, connect it with the carabiner on your backpack and you are good to go. Also, this is pretty high capacity. So 36,000 milliamp hours is going to charge an iPhone a multitude of different times. And of course, you have that flashlight as well, which definitely comes in handy. One of the things I end up forgetting a lot of the times on trips is a flashlight. So you have a flashlight here as well, which gets you out of those precarious situations. So if you are looking for a battery bank portable charger for your devices, as well as one that's really great for hiking, this is one that I would definitely recommend.